This is Higher Homework 11, and this is question 9, and what we have here is P is the point, 0, 1, 0, Q is minus 1, 0, 1, and R is 2, minus 1, 2. If A equals the vector PQ and B equals the vector QR, calculate A dot B. So a scalar product question that's coming along at the end here. First of all, what I need to do though is I need to find out the vector PQ and the vector QR. So let's go ahead and do that one. So just go for A. It's going to be equal to the vector PQ, and I know the way to work that out. I'll take the position vector Q minus the position vector of P, and I'll work that through from there. So let's go for that. So Q is going to be minus 1, 0, 1. I'm going to subtract from that the 0, 1, 0. From there, what I'm going to get out is minus 1 take away 0, minus 1, that'll give me a minus 1, and that should give me a positive 1 there. Right, so that's me worked out the vector PQ. I'll then work out the vector QR, which is B. So that's a vector QR, that's equal to R minus Q. And from there, put in the component vector of R, which is 2, minus 1, minus 2. Subtract from that Q, which is minus 1, 0, 1. And what happened through? So 2 plus 1 will give me a 3. I've got minus 1 take away 0 will give me a minus 1. Minus 2 take away a 1 will give me a minus 3 there. Okay. So there we go. There I've got the, in component form, I've got the vector QR. So I've got both vectors that I need to work out now. So for the scalar product, again, just looking at the formula sheet. Formula sheet, when I have vectors in component form, would be to use the A dot B is equal to x1, x2, plus y1, y2, z1, z2. So I'll just multiply them out and gather them up. Okay, so here we go, x1, so it'll be minus 1 times 3. I'm going to add on to that minus 1 times minus 1, and then I'll add on to that 1 times minus 3. From there, let's just multiply that through. So I've got minus 3 here, I've got minus 1 times minus 1 is going to be a plus 1, and what I've got is I've got a minus 3 here. Gathering that all up at the end, that should give me an answer of minus 5. Let's look at the marks for this question here. Go for 1 mark for the components of PQ, another mark for the components of QR. I'll go for the scalar product, getting that line set up there, and 1 mark for the final answer. That'll give me marks out of 4.